Hello, my name is Dominic Kroom and I'm reporting for Habet Media today, and we are at ICE London 2020. The hot topic, sustainable gambling. What is it? I guess we'll find out. Let's have a look.
Technology. So what we're getting ready to show you, addiction is a big element of the environment and the effect of community. So therefore, if you're going to affect change, you need to affect not only what they're doing, but the environment and community that surrounds the addict. So we build an immersive environment, virtual environment, where we bring players into that space.
It's great to see another Isle of Man company demonstrating the innovation and the technology and bringing something new to the space of e-gaming.
We're here to help. The technology is there. Give us the opportunity to explain our work. We've been 4 years in the background, listening, sitting there, and observing what's happening. And it's only now that operators, through the hammer of the regulators and the fines and the shooting across the bows, but you got to collaborate. You have to talk. We have to start sharing information with each other. It's very important that we do that. It's time for the industry to start defending itself.
It's been a very busy time here at ICE this year. The current rhetoric on problem gambling and some of the knee-jerk reactions, and how we can get sustainable gambling rather than just problem gambling. It'd be nice and it's a resource where people can go and actually get real help within the industry.
I was approached by Habet, to give them a bit of feedback on the product, and it looks really interesting. I think it's very innovative, and I think with the right business model would be incredible tool for people that may be experiencing gambling related harm.
How would the industry react to such a social responsibility product in the space where some would assume that the gambling industry just doesn't care? The regulatory bodies, the operators, even healthcare, which is a key fundamental component. So I'm truly excited about the future, what it means to addiction management, identification management, and at the end of the day, creating sustainable gambling in an industry that is crying out for tools that can help them to support their customers, support their business model, and just all around corporate social responsibility. Here at ICE 2020, thank you for being on the journey. Take care.